Hello students. So today we will be starting with the lesson matrices. Okay. So matrix. Okay. Matrix is an arrangement or a representation of some information which is given to you. Okay. Suppose you have three people. Okay. A, B, and C. And person A has 2 pens, person B has 3 pens, and person C has 0 pens. Okay, then we can represent this information in a form of a matrix. Okay, or so this will be your 2, 3, 0. So this represents number of pens. This is your number of pens. Okay, so person A has 2 pens, B has 3, and C has 0. Suppose we have one more information, say about notebooks. Okay, 1 notebook, 4 notebooks, and 3 notebooks. Then we can add here the column of notebooks. Okay, and this will be represented as notebooks. So matrix is nothing but an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. Okay, and these numbers, okay, or the functions are called entries. Okay, so matrix is nothing but the representation of the information which is given to you. Okay, now let's write a general form of a matrix. Okay, so matrix A symbol is like this. Okay, like a box you have to draw. Okay, the entries are given by A11, A12, A13, and so on. And the last entry, if the column and the order is specified, then last entry will be A1n. Okay, similarly for column is A21, A22, A31, okay, and so on, and we'll have AM1. Okay, this will be A22 and so on. So this will be A2n. Okay, so the last entry will be AMN. So for this matrix, this horizontal are called rows. Okay, these are your rows, and this vertical entries are called columns. Okay, and the number of rows and columns, okay, number of rows and columns is your order of the matrix. It is m cross n. Okay, m specifies the number of rows and n specifies the number of columns. Okay, now if you want to represent this matrix without this box, you can write A equal to matrix A can be represented as Aij, okay, where the order of the matrix is m cross n. Okay, and our values of I change from 1 to m, and values of j change from 1 to n, where I and j belongs to set of natural numbers. Okay, so this is the representation of a matrix, general matrix. Okay, we will be doing some examples so that you will understand it better. Okay, now let's see how many possible orders can a matrix of defined elements have? Okay, suppose we have a matrix of 6 elements. Okay, matrix has 6 elements. So how many orders it can have? So you have to find the factors of 6. Okay, so 6 can be written as 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Okay, another way is 6 into 1 and 3 into 2. Okay, so for this matrix the rows will be 1, column will be 6. For this, rows are 2, columns are 3. Like that, for this matrix, rows are 6, column is 1. Okay, so another example, you can take a matrix of 8 elements. So you have to find out the prime factors, okay, or the factors of 8. So starting from 1, 1 into 8 or 8 into 1, then 2 into 4 or 4 into 2, then okay, these are the order. So possible orders are 4. Okay, now let us take one example. Okay, you have to construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, construct 2 cross 3 matrix and its elements are defined by Aij equal to half of I minus 3j. Okay, so first you should know this 2 cross 3 matrix, how it looks. Okay, we'll write here our matrix. Okay, 2 cross 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so 2 rows and 3 columns, right? So let's write it in general form. So 2 rows, A11, A21, okay, and 3 columns. So A12, A22, A13 and A23. Okay, so 2 cross 3. This is our general form of a matrix. Now let us find out one element. So Aij is defined as half mod of I minus 3j. So A11, where your I value is 1, j value is 1. So put the values of I and j, 1 minus 3 into 1. Okay, so this will be half mod of 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this minus 2 comes out of mod, becomes positive and then gets cancelled. So we'll get answer 1. So our A11 is 1. Let us write A12 half, j is 2. So 1 minus 3 into 2. So it will be 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. So 5 by 2. Then A13 half, 1 minus 3 into 3. So it is 1 minus 9, which is minus 8. So out of this mod you will get plus 8. 8 by 2. So it is 4. Okay. Now for A21, now your I is 2 and j is 1. So 3 into 1, 3. So you'll get minus 1 here. So it will be half. Now A22, both are 2. So half, 2 minus 3 to the 6. Okay, 2 minus 6. So it will be minus 4. So your answer is 2. And last is A23. A23. So it will be half 2 minus 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. So it will be 7 by 2. Now you have to write the entries. So in place of A11, you will get 1. A12, you will get 5 by 2. A13, you will get 4. A21, you will get half. A22, it is 2. And A23, it is 7 by 2. So this is the matrix we got. Okay. So this way you have to substitute values of I and J so that we'll get the entries of the matrix.